Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we treat the neighborhood a little better and not have dust going everywhere? You use water and you keep the dust down and get it off the road.
Okay.
All this fill shouldn't be here anyway. This should be on your property, on your side of the fence.
That's what he's doing. That's what we're doing.
That is not what he's doing. That line right there is your property.
Okay.
You can turn that off, please.
No. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Your property line is roughly where that silt fence is.
Okay.
This is public right-of-way.
Okay.
You've brought in all this dirt. There's no bar ditch. Nothing here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Yeah. That's it. Get
That's
the
it.
stuff onto your property.
My guy, that's exactly what we're doing. We're building.
You don't do it. You do not do it with a blower. You use a broom or some water and wash it off onto the side of the road.
Okay.
All of that dust, I could see it going into those trees over there.
Got it. I'll speak with him.
I know. I tried to call him. He hung up on me. So he is the man, and he's not doing it correctly.
I got you.
I don't think you do.
No, I don't.
All this wouldn't be here.
My guy, we're building.
This is not where you're building.
Listen.
You're building there. Keep it on your property. This will not drain. As soon as it rains, this is all coming into the street.
Hey, we got an inspection tomorrow. Well, I'm sure the inspector is going to say something about
The
this.
inspectors do not inspect. Okay?
Okay.
They'll inspect your foundation and do all that. They're not going to deal with this. They're going to see this. They're going to drive right by. Where is all this water going to go? Can you tell me that?
I got you. I'm not.
Question. Where is all the water going to go when it rains?
I'm not even going to argue. I'm just going to get it fixed.
It's a question. I'm not arguing. I'm asking you a question.
Yeah.
When the way this is graded, where is all the water going to go? And you can point your camera out there and show us all what it is.
Yeah.
I mean, you need to have a bar ditch here. You've got nothing.
I got you.
You do not have me, or you would be taking care of this. Those guys are not taking care of this. I mean, you want to video that, how they left that? If you had water on site, that would be clear.
Okay.
Now, when it rains, this will be mud. And all of this will flow into the street.
Okay.
You're not treating it with enough urgency. How much are you going to sell this house for? 1.5?
1.6.
You think you could stand to be a little bit more neighborly while you're coming into our neighborhoods?
Yeah. I mean, I tried.
You have not. You're not trying. How are you trying? You clear cut every tree on this yard, and all of this is flowing right into here.
So you don't think this is going to be fixed? You don't think at some point in time this is going to be taken?
Right.
You think we're going to leave it?
Some point in time needs to be now, not when you feel it's necessary to sell the thing. Because in the meantime, all this dirt and sand and select fill is going into the street, and it should be on the other side of that silt fence.
Okay.
Period. It's not okay. They had a skid steer in their trailer. Why didn't they dump it over there? Because they did the lazy thing to do. I mean, look at this. This is literally in the street. You know, you buried the edge of the street. So be a good neighbor and clean this off.
Okay.
Okay.
Will do. Yeah. You can't really talk to neighbors like this. You know what I mean? You really can't. You just can't. You know what I mean? I'm complaining about the tree. This is the type of disgruntled personnel we will actually get. You know what I mean? See him take pictures. So I already know him, I'm going to make a complaint about what is it that's going on. Because that's what they do. I'm complain about the tree. At some point in time, the dirt I go over on the fence. Like, we can't do nothing about it more than when time the dirt come over on the road, we push it back over. Like, there's nothing that can be done while the work takes place. But also, I'm going to put a fence here, a temp fence. Once the foundation gets poured, so I'm almost certain we're going to take the dirt from here and put it over the other side. Yeah. Guys, the life of a developer. I couldn't even talk to him, I couldn't even get in a word. I never tell him, okay, I got you, I'm going to fix it. Like, that's the only thing I can tell him whenever I get like this. There's nothing telling him. You might talk about the dust. Them complain about everything. Them complain about the dirt, them complain about the dust, them complain about everything. But you don't know.